Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can add Mailerlite subscribers to group or label in Google Contacts automatically. So let's take an example that you are a business owner and you are sending your business related offers and promotional emails to your customers using your Mailerlite email marketing platform. Okay, and you want all those customers to be added to your Google Contacts as a backup. For this, we need to create a connection between Mailerlite and Google Contacts so that whenever you create a new subscriber in your Mailerlite account, automatically the same subscriber should be added to your Google Contacts and they should be added to a specific group or a label also in Google Contacts. So, in order to create a connection between both these software applications, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Mailerlite with Google Contacts automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process on my screen. Welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Mailerlite to Google Contacts Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a subscriber is created in Mailerlite, automatically the same subscriber should be added to our Google Contacts and even they should be added to a specific group or label also. For that, we have to create an integration between Mailerlite and Pabbly Connect first. So let's open this trigger window. And let us choose the application name as Mailerlite. Let's select the trigger event as subscriber created. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Mailerlite account. Click on your profile picture on the top right side and select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Click on Developer API and you will get the API key. So I'll just take you to my Mailerlite account. This is my Mailerlite dashboard. Here we have to just click on this profile button. And here we can find Integrations option. Simply click on Integrations. And here we can find Developer API option. So click on Use. And here we can find the API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here. And I'll be pasting the same API key over here to create a connection. And let's click on Save. Okay, now the Mailerlite account is connected to Pabbly Connect. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Do you wish to send the request again? Let's click on Yes. And now here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to create a new subscriber in our Mailerlite account. So let's move to our Mailerlite account. Here we will be moving to the subscribers option. And here we are going to add a new subscriber. So let's click on this Add Subscriber button. Let's click on Add Single Subscriber. And here we are going to enter the details of the subscriber. Let's give the email address as adamsmith321@gmail.com. First name as Adam. Last name as Smith, company name as Pabbly, country as India, city as Indore. Let's add the phone number,
state as Madhya Pradesh, MP, and let's add the zip code also. And I'm just skipping the product name. If you want to enter, you can just enter it over here. And let's click on add subscriber. Subscriber added successfully. Okay, so here we can see that we have added a new subscriber named Adam Smith. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details of the new subscriber are captured over here. Here we can find the subscriber name as Adam, his email address. When we scroll down, here we can find the first name, last name, company name, his country, his city details, phone number, and all other details are captured over here. So now we want that using all these details of the subscriber, automatically a new contact should get created in Google Contacts and it should be added to a specific group or label also. So let's scroll down, come to this action step and let us choose the application name as Google Contacts over here. Select the action event as create contact. So first we will be creating a new contact and then we will be adding the contact to a specific label or group. Let's click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Contacts. Now it is asking me to choose an account to continue with Pabbly Connect contacts. So let's select my account from here. Pabbly Connect contacts wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's scroll down and click on continue and let's give the access over here. Authorization successful. And now the Google Contacts account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Google Contacts over here. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have any contacts in my Google Contacts. So we are going to create a new contact now. Now it is asking for the first name, last name and other details of the contact that needs to be created. So we have already got all these details from our Mailerlite response over here, the trigger response. So we will be mapping these details now. Let's scroll down. Here let us map the first name from Mailerlite and here we have to find the first name. So this was subscriber field 1 value. This was the first name. Here we have to map the last name. So last name was Smith. Now here we have to select the gender. So I am not selecting the gender from the drop down just because it will be fixed for all the subscribers. So instead of that I am just clicking on this mapping button and I'll just remove this data to ignore this field. Okay. Here we have to give the email address. So let us map it from Mailerlite and this was the email address. Let's scroll down. Here it is asking for the company name. So let us map the company name. Now the job title, job department and other details are required. So we don't have all these details. I'm just leaving it as blank. If you're having the details, you can just specify it over here. Here we have to give the phone number. So we don't have the phone number, we have the mobile number. So let us map the mobile number over here from Mailerlite. Okay, this was the mobile number value. Here we have to map the address. We don't have the address details. Okay. So I'm just leaving them as blank. We don't have all other details also. So we have all the details and the details are already filled over here. Okay. First name, last name, email address, company name and the mobile number. Okay. Let's scroll down and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new contact is added in our Google Contacts. Let's check it. We have to just refresh our Google Contacts. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new contact over here. We can find the company name as Pabbly and here we can find his email address as well as the mobile number. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now we want that this particular contact should be added to a specific group or label. For that, let's scroll down, click on this plus sign add action step. Again, choose the application name as Google Contacts over here. Select the action event as add contact to a group or label this time. Click on connect. Here we are going to select the existing connection just because we have recently created a connection in our previous step. So let's click on save. Now here we have to select the group. Select a group or map group resource name over here. So here you can see that I have created so many groups in my Google Contacts. So I want this particular subscriber to be added to my Mailerlite subscribers group. Okay, so I'm selecting my group name from here. Now here we have to select the contact. Select a contact or map contact resource name. Okay, so let's click on this mapping button and I have to remove this data from here. And we are coming to Mailerlite, and let us find the resource name over here. Okay. So we have specified the group also, and we have given the resource name, that is the contact ID over here. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see that the response is received. It means the contact is added to the group in our Google Contacts. Let's check it. Here we'll be moving to our Mailerlite subscribers group over here. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new contact to this particular group named Mailerlite subscribers. And in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between Mailerlite and Google Contacts, next time whenever you're going to create a new subscriber in your Mailerlite account, automatically the same subscriber will be added as a new contact in your Google Contacts, and they will be added to a specific group also. So let's check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that we have to just move to our Mailerlite account, and here we'll be clicking on this add single subscriber option, and we'll be entering the details of a new subscriber. Let's give the email address as kuldeepg@gmail.com. Let's add the name as Kuldeep, last name as Gupta, company name as Magnet Brains, country as India, city as Indore. Let's add the phone number, state as MP, Madhya Pradesh. Let's add the zip code, and let's add subscriber. Click on add subscriber. Subscriber added successfully. So we have added a new subscriber in our Mailerlite account. Here we can see the details. Now let us check our Google Contacts. We have to just move to the Contacts section, and let us refresh our Google Contacts. Okay, and here we can see that Kuldeep Gupta is added as a new contact to our Google Contacts. Now let us check our Mailerlite subscriber list, and we have to refresh it once again. Okay, and here we can see that Kuldeep Gupta is added to our Mailerlite subscriber list also. Let's check the details of Kuldeep Gupta. Here we can find the company name as Magnet Brains. Here we can find the contact details, that is his email address and the mobile number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, so I'll just minimize this trigger window also. Okay, so first we have created an integration between Mailerlite and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the subscriber whenever a new subscriber was created in your Mailerlite account. Then using those details of the subscriber, a new contact was created in your Google Contacts, and even the same contact was added to a specific group or label in your Google Contacts. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Mailerlite and Google Contacts using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.